Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and I'm very excited to do these videos again just because I do love bags. I do like talking about bags and this is the perfect time for me to share about the spring bags that I've been loving using consistently all throughout the spring season, all throughout the past couple of months actually. And these have been consistent except for one specific one here. But yes, that's probably going to be the bonus. But aside from that, I'll be showing to you guys my favorite bags for the spring season, and these are also perfect bags that you have time to order them before Mother's Day and they'll arrive. So let's get into it. Now, I don't think I can stop not using this bag just because it's been my favorite and I want to get it out of the way because evidently all of you guys know, if you know me so much, you guys know this is my signature color, this is my everyday color. If I can, I will have a lot of different style of bags with this color. My Mini Kelly in Rouge H, in box leather, in Mini Kelly 20, oh, my Mini Kelly 22 and gold hardware. And this has been the best bag that I could use every day. Literally every day because it's like the perfect size because it's not too small, it's not too big. If I was gonna use a mini Kelly, trust me, it won't work because it's too small for me and my needs on an everyday day to day. I'm not a person who just brings a card and just a phone. No, I actually bring two phones most of the time. So yes, but this one I love using this bag because it's just the perfect pop of color. Trust me, red is not hard to use. And it's been great that red has been the trend for like since 2024 or 2023. It's been of course the perfect pop of color, but also with different style of bags. I have so many red bags that I've been enjoying just because they are really versatile. They're the pop of color with anything neutral or white or black. It's like the perfect mysterious color. That's why for me, red has been a no-fail use every day for me. And this one, like I said, it's the perfect size. So you guys know I've been obsessed with the Mini Kelly 22. And this couple of beauties here. And let's start with this baby blue that I've been using actually for the past 3 days just because I always go out right now for like during the day because I have a lot of things to do up to the afternoon. And the afternoon I've been really enjoying this. This has been a great bag because like I said, the Mini Kelly 22 is like the perfect size for me as an everyday mini bag. And with this one and its gold color, it's just it works with everything. Even works with what I'm wearing right now, which I actually wore this yesterday. It's been a great bag. It's so versatile, it's so cute and so fresh. Plus, this bag has been so durable because this is Epsom leather and it's been a great bag. So this size fits a lot. This has been like the prettiest bag that you'll have for spring, for summer. It's just elegant and it's cool tone. It's just a relaxing color. Plus, blue goes with a lot of things. It's just a perfect subtle neutral with the beautiful color pop to your outfit. And speaking of pop of color, but a bit more subtle, is the obsession of the yellow obsession that I have has been until now. I still love it. I would love to add more yellow bags. And it's this beautiful Mini Kelly 22 in this beautiful color yellow. I think this is Jean Poussin, and then it's in silver or palladium hardware. This has been a super cute bag. I love it so much because it is like a white bag in a way. So when you pair this up with any of your white outfits or black outfit, it's so beautiful and elegant. With this bag, it's been a great additional piece because it's such a subtle color. It's beautiful, and like I said, with the Mini Kelly 22, I'm obsessed with the sizes of this. So these colors have been a go-to of mine. It's just evidently my favorites. I really love them. And they're easy to pair with the baby blue, with the baby yellow, and of course with the Rouge H. They have a different vibe each. And I would not really change it the others because they're like an easy go-to and very elegant to put in with any of your outfit. Plus they're very spring and floral. It's like epitome of colors. Okay, this is my epitome of spring bag just because since like for me spring starts February, okay, and very Valentine's Day, and it's just the prettiest cutest bag ever. I mean, you can see it's Rose Sakura in Palladium hardware. This is a Birkin 25, and this is in Clemence leather. So it's such a beautiful leather. It's soft and supple. It's still durable, and I could suggest, but with this pink color, I'm very, very scared to stain it when I'm holding the top handle. Hence why I was really adamant to putting twillies to it. But I don't know, I really like it without the twillies, honestly, but I am scared and I really want to take care of my bags. So I'm still thinking about it. Maybe I might tighten it or change the way I put on the twillies just to make sure it still looks decent. But yes, this bag has been the go-to when I go to errands. When I go on my like me days, I also like wearing this because especially with my hair right now, it's a bit more edgy and I just really like to add a bit more feminine touch to it with this beautiful bag. And yes, there's no regret to it. It's just a beautiful subtle pink. It's honestly the perfect pink that you could wear with a lot of things, even with jeans. This actually looks good with jeans because it's a very casual bag on its own. But sometimes when I add the twilly, it's a bit more dressy. But I do enjoy wearing this with jeans. It's just an easy color bag, and it's also perfect for your mom. I mean, add a little bit of femininity to your mom. With the other colors, I know these are perfect also gifts for Mother's Day because they are compact. But if you have a mom that's very on mostly a very busy mom, then I would suggest you go get a Birkin 25 because it's not too big and it's not too small. And the best part with this bag or this version of Birkin 25 is it has attachment for long straps, so you can still use it with a strap. And speaking of long straps, of course, I do love my Kellys. I love this Kelly 25 in this beautiful gold, ungold, and contrast stitching leather. And this is box leather, by the way. This is such a perfect bag for spring, for summer, for like any season because it's the perfect color. Plus, it's really fresh and very elegant, especially in box leather. So when I was thinking of getting a brown bag, I wasn't really sure what tone of brown. I wasn't also sure if gold on gold will really look good on me because it's really, really fully warm and I'm a very neutral skin tone. But then when I started wearing it with a lot of my more on office or like business type outfits, as well as like simple neutral outfits and trousers, it really adds more to it. It really elevates the outfit, and I can't really explain it. It's different from my navy blue Kelly 25. This one adds just that a bit more elegance that I guess that's why I understand why a lot of people like the Hermes Gold because it really has that sophistication and that kind of old money, fresh look that's different from the noir or the black one. So yes, I honestly say this is such a perfect bag. Perfect spring bag, perfect work bag. It's just the right size. Although this will also look good with a Kelly 28 and a 28 size. But I'm actually really happy already with the 228 size that I have. The only additional 28 that I might add I would really love is another, like I said, the Rouge H1 that's been on like the top of my wish list. But that will be like in the future because until now it's still pricey. It's like 5,000, 6,000 pesos. And it's very, very pricey. So I don't think I'll pull the trigger on that. But with this, I'm very happy for it because I don't really put a lot of things as much right now on my day-to-day bag. That's why with this Cali 25, it's perfect. And like I said, it elevates any of your outfits. And speaking of bag, the final one that just recently, but it's not going to be considered like my favorites that I've been using constantly because I've just been using it for 2 days right now. And it's this beautiful baby here. So I actually unboxed this the other day, and then this is like the second day that I used it, and it's so cute. And I actually used this with my pearl strap, not with the original strap that it comes with, just because I went to like this a bit more elegant kind of brunch, so I wanted something a bit more small and still subtle. But do you know what? This is the Giovanni bag, and I don't know what it's actually called, but this is such a subtle bag, as you can see right there. So the strap that I put it already in a dust bag right here, so it's much more protected. So it actually packs a lot. Like you can fit a lot here compared to the mini Kelly. I mean, actually, you could fit. as much as this one and this one. I might do a comparison because they're also both blue and gold hardware. But with this one and the difference with this, I think this is much more easier, I guess. But the leather of this one is very different from the Mini Kelly. This one has a much more sturdy hardware leather compared to this one. But I'm very excited to how the wear of this will be. I was also going to share it to you guys because I've been exploring other brand bags like in the department store just to see a bit more of the reasonably priced bags and what they share or what they offer to you and if it's worth buying it. Maybe if you guys want it for in the long run or just in the short run, then maybe that would be fine. But with this one, I pulled the trigger on this because I couldn't find, well, I did find a few reasonably price or a cheaper price than the ones that I've seen so far. But yes, evidently those are genuine cowhide leather, sheepskin leather. This one is, I think this one is reused leather. Like recycled leather was what they use for the Giovanni ones. But I really like the color. The color is a beautiful iceberg. I'm still trying to figure out what name of this. So far, my name for this is actually crystal because with like diamonds, crystal diamonds, and diamonds itself in the rings, like the cuts. And I know this is very much of a dupe of the Chanel mini top handle. And it's true because it's such a cute bag. It really is resembling it. It doesn't just have the back pocket though, but it's fine. But yeah, this one I that's the reason why I pulled the trigger in it. It's just so much of it and I was looking for that similar style of bag. And with the blue, it's just the perfect color. Very spring, very summer. And it's also going to be perfect for winter seasons because of how the shade is. It's very icy blue. It's very different from my Mini Kelly as you can see and compare. That's the reason also because actually when we got this, my hubby said that it was fine for me to get this. Is I brought this one just to see if I was gonna pull the trigger. If it was very, very similar on the vibe as well as the color, I wasn't gonna get it. But then when I saw them, they're very, very different. Very. For me, they're very different because aside from the shade, this one's like almost white already, bluish white, and this one's very much the blue color. So it has a different vibe. Plus also the style of it is different also from the bags that I have recently. So hopefully this one wears good and maybe in the future I might try to get the leather versions that I got and that I found in Shopee that I will link down below for you guys to shop if you want to invest in the leather bag version of this. And yes, so that's why so far those are the spring favorites or spring bags that I would suggest that are also perfect bags for your mom. Now, I will link the bags of this one, the Shopee links for all of this. Plus, you can shop for a different color for your mom, whatever they would like. If your sister is also a mom, or you have a friend that you want to gift to that's a mom as well, these are like the perfect bags or the perfect gifts also because I honestly think that girls would enjoy bags. I know not all girls enjoy bags, but I think a mom it's very practical for them to have a bag. So something also that's also pretty to show them that you're still blooming, you're still amazing, you're doing a great job. And yes, so I'm rambling on, but I would suggest these styles because they fit all the profiles of a mom, whether it's a working mom, a go-to mom, also a mom that's going on business trips all the time. Sorry, I'm in my couch. And also a mom is just a go-to with just a tote bag. These are like the perfect bags that I would suggest. And this one is still on sale. So this one I can't link. Just go to all your SM department stores. You see the Giovanni logo and then you'll easily find it there. It's usually near Giovanni, Matthews, Parisian, all of that. And yes, they have been great and are on sale right now. So check it out before Mother's Day comes. And I hope you guys have a great Mother's Day. And those moms watching, go check out for yourself. It's not bad to treat yourself once in a while, just like me. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye!